This is a beautiful 1955 Imperial Newport. Newport meaning hardtop at this point. Beautiful yellow and white color scheme. This one, of course, has a hemi, a 331 cubic inch hemi. There's the Imperial crest. Beautiful. Still has the 6-volt electrical system. It's the last year for that. Here's the compressor for the air conditioning system, which it had to be pretty unusual and costly, of course. Chrysler Air Temp, a division of course, Chrysler was the manufacturer of that. Very nice, very tidy. Power steering, power brakes, as you would expect. I checked my previous videos, and this is the first one of these 55 Imperials I have managed to video. That's amazing. Beautiful wheels there. Very premium. Notice the wraparound windshield, which is almost mandatory in 55. Lots of stainless. And another crest there. And you'll see the back shelf has a couple inlets and an outlet with the refrigerated air. And that little appendage there on the rear quarter is outside air intake for the system. And it pours the refrigerated air right from that center ductwork through the cabin. Beautiful, beautiful upholstery. Now they spared no expense with the dashboard and the steering wheel. Full horn ring, two-toned. And there to the right of the gauges is the selector for the PowerFlight transmission. Headliner is perfect. Everything is perfect about this car. And as we turn the corner here, we see the taillights. They called them gun sight taillights because that's what they look like. And you notice that the backup lamps and the exhaust pipes are in the bumper, the ends. And there you saw the Imperial crest again in the back. They wanted to let you know it was the top of the line. And there we have a little sticker to let you know that it's air conditioned. So the competition among the top cars was pretty brisk at this point, and this is certainly a worthwhile and beautiful entry. And another quick look under the hood. Back in the day when you opened the hood, you could actually see the engine, not a bunch of plastic.